Alright, so now that you know how to name both ionic and covalent compounds, you will be given mixed compounds and have to name them. So the first question you always have to ask yourself when you're naming anything or writing out any formula is the first element listed a metal? If it is, then it's an ionic compound and you're going to follow those rules using charges and oxidation states. If the first element listed is not a metal, then it's a covalent molecule and you will use those rules, meaning the prefixes. The only exception to this is the ammonium ion, and we will do an example with that. So we have a couple examples. CO2. So you need to look on your periodic table and determine if carbon is a metal. Carbon falls on the right side of the staircase, so carbon is a non-metal, so we will name this using covalent rules. So CO2 is bonded covalently. Next, ZnF2. So look at the first atom present, which is zinc. Zinc falls on your periodic table to the left of the staircase, so you would name it ionically, as we have a metal bonding to a non-metal, and you would need to use oxidation states to name that compound. Lastly is NH4Cl. This is ammonium chloride, and NH4 is, I believe, the only positive polyatomic ion on your polyatomic ion chart. So NH4 is not a metal, however it is an ion and it bonds with other ions, which makes it, go figure, ionic. So this gets named with charges, and it would simply be called ammonium chloride, and the ending of chlorine becomes changed to chloride. But that's the only exception to this ionic or covalent rule, as it falls on your polyatomic ion sheet. So that's a little bit of a reminder to figure that out. Alright, that's it.